to my butthole, yeah. Oh my God, what did I do? I can't take a dump, 'cause now my balls.
And we're off.
Hello, folks.
Hello. Hello, Jim. Oh, I feel like I'm a little bit too low. There you go.
Oh,
That's
that sounds
better.
good.
That's better, isn't it? Hello.
Yes.
Nice
Hello
one.
to any truckers out there.
Yes. Welcome to Black Dog After Hours, the ASMR channel for people who really don't know how YouTube works. Anyway,
Oh, dear.
how are you, sir?
I'm pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been warm and sunny, but not in danger of melting tonight, which is nice.
Yeah. Well, I was up your neck of the woods as I was discussing my.
Yes,
Well, yeah. So it's been nice not to be boiling alive, but there you go. Or in a country that's on fire.
well, that's good
Generally.
too. Yes.
A certain area of the country that's not on fire, anyway.
Yes, the night is yet young. Things could change.
Well, yeah, it really does depend on how people feel about this episode, really. The film. Hold on, I think we're about to get an Elton. Oh, we're going to get an Elton. I can see him as a Baron Uber driver. There he is.
Hey.
Ah, hello.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Am I here? I am here, aren't I?
You are. You're a touch on the loud side, but I don't know how that compares to me in everyone else's ears.
No, you're good. I just can't see. I can't see my waveform.
I can. Your waveform is enormous, madam.
Ooh.
You might want to just up a little.
What? What have I done?
It's all right. You're fine. It's cool. That's cool. It's just like you sort of went ooh, and then you sort of vanished.
Oh no, that was me looking away from the mic. Sorry.
Oh right, okay, fair enough.
I know, very unprofessional. I do apologise.
God, it's not the level of quality I've expected from hosts of such an esteemed podcast that has approximately no people listening to it.
Anyway, hello, gentlemen.
Hello there. Hello. Well, here we are again.
Sorry for being 5 minutes late.
Mm-hmm.
It's becoming a thing now, isn't it? I do apologise.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I would hate for that to. Yes.
Are you are you guys going to do like another cast?
They're waiting for Elton cast.
Waiting for Elton cast.
Chinese doll cast.
Yeah, exactly. Then then there's another cast which is in this 7.5 seconds between me posting the link and Jim appearing as well, which is just me going, and that's it. That's it. Just the podcast is just click.
Amazing.
Yeah, that's it. Well, maybe that's it. Maybe that's what we have everyone post up this week because nobody noticed the huge slew of She-Ra pictures for no discernible reason.
Bravo, everybody. Bravo.
I was going to say, absolutely rammed to the gills.
I know, I thought that was a bit blatant, but no, it worked. Oh,
Yeah.
God, I've got hiccups. Oh, no.
It's all gone wrong. It's all gone wrong. Oh, by the way, Jim, if you get a moment, thank Teresa for the googly-eyed aliens, by the way.
I will do.
Yes. Much impressive. Love it. So that was most good. I'd like that. Yeah, I've only just noticed it is the Cookie Monster eyes, isn't it? Yeah, nice. Anyway,
you can't beat the classics.
Can't beat the classics. No. I also like the the picture posted on the Facebook group of the melting guy from RoboCop climbing out the Seine.
There's a Gollum one as well. It wasn't that bad.
Oh God.
Oh God.
Are you hiccuping, Elton?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to hold my breath.
Yeah.
Trying to make you jump.
Yeah, but
Oh,
Boo! Mm. Oh well, there you go. If it helps, stick. The best thing for hiccups is to stick your little fingers in your ears
mm,
and raise your elbows up to the level of your ears while having
Okay.
your fingers, because then you've stretched your diaphragm.
right.
So
Okay.
and then what you need to do is have someone else feed you some water.
Right.
Or if you have a paper cup or something that isn't going to kill you if you try and pick it up, just fill it full of water and then try and drink it.
Right. Okay.
Because it's the stretching of the diaphragm, you see. And by pushing your little fingers into your ears, you're pushing your elbows out as far as you can. And so it's stretching your diaphragm. Because that's all that hiccups are.
Right.
See?
I'll give that a go.
What, live on air? Go for
Yeah.
it.
Well, I've still got my earbuds in, but I've got my little fingers in my ears and
Mm-hmm.
elbows up in the air.
Right. Now try and drink a glass of water.
Oh no, I haven't got a glass of water.
Go on.
Why do I always get hiccups? I don't understand it.
It's because you're nervous. It's your
Oh.
nervous energy. You're just full of nervous energy. Actually, maybe that's it. Maybe that's what we have. If you're listening to this, prove that you're listening to this. We want cans of Red Bull, because that used to give me nervous energy. There you go.
Or just like solutions to get rid of hiccups. That would be great.
Yeah, actually, there you go. Yeah, old wives' tales, urban myths, anything at all. Rubbing a frog on your head, whatever you like. Just
Yeah.
post up, not necessarily accurate methods of getting rid of hiccups.
I don't think anyone on the internet doing podcasting has ever had as many hiccups as I have.
Oh, I
It
don't
must
know.
be a world record or something. Surely it's a world record.
Well, we can certainly write off to Norris McWhirter. I'm sure he'll investigate that for us.
Absolutely, we right on that.
Oh, Norris. Is Norris even alive? Hold on.
Probably not.
Well, no, probably not. Hold on. Norris McWhirter. Well, he was born in
2004. He went 2004.
I was gonna say he was born in 1925, so he'd be doing quite well if he was 100 years old.
Well, that would make him a record breaker.
Hey. Oh yeah.
Oh,
Elton, seriously, man, go get a drink. Go get a
I've
drink.
got a drink. It's just hot.
And go get another drink. You've got more than one cup in the house, haven't you?
I do, yes,
Radically
yes.
decluttered. Just
Yeah.
one cup and that's it. It doesn't bring me joy. It's out.
Yeah. All I've got is a
Oh,
frying
God.
pan, a sofa, and a single cup, and that's it.
That's all I need.
Nothing
One-
else brings me
One
joy.
fork, one knife, and a spoon.
Yeah, one fork, one knife, a spoon, a toilet seat, a toilet. Actually, the
Coach the
toilet.
tiger folding chair. Hang on.
Oh,
Go get a bloody water. Jesus.
right, I'm going to hold
Live
my breath
hiccuping.
again.
Now, don't hold your breath. You drowning yourself is more fun.
Oh no!
Good Lord.
Oh, we're doing well tonight. It's going to be one of those casts, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's just going to just be, well, more than most, it's just going to ramble on forever. It's just, I got a horrible feeling. Unless, of course, everyone hates Drive, in which case it's going to be a pretty focused moment. But I'd quite like to finish the podcast before I turn 53. So,
Oh, hang on. Where's your birth? Is it tomorrow?
yeah,
Oh,
exactly.
Is it?
Yeah, it's in 3 hours.
It's birthday eve.
It is birthday eve. I know Jim's already had his because he gets in on you get in a week ago.
Yeah.
But- Yeah, but man alive, no, I've got approximately 3 more hours of being 52. I'd like to spend it wisely. Go get a drink. Oy. Seriously, man.
It's funnier though. That's the twist.
It's like you're fuck punching a frog.
It hurts.
Dave, what are you doing in there? You punching a frog?
Yeah. Dave. Oh, good lord. Right. So can I make a guess now that it's Darren's pick next week, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah.
Right. My guess.
You ruined the fun by warning him.
I did. I know. I don't want to. I want to spend my last few hours of 52 in a progressive and proactive way. My bet. Bullet Train or the Batman. What do you reckon?
Is Nicolas Cage Drive on streaming anywhere for comedy jokes?
Yeah, gone in 60 seconds. Yeah. What do you reckon?
Why did you say Bullet Train? That's been on there for a while.
Because every time we've tried to guess last time, we guessed Bullet Train, so I just thought I'd throw it out there again.
Oh, okay.
Bullet Train.
Ooh.
Bullet Train.
Let me open up the Netflix.
Well, on Amazon Prime, it's The Batman is up there. So I'm guessing that's got to be on the docket at some point.
Oh, what's his name? The Patterson one, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
The only problem with that, and the reason why I never picked it, is it's 3 hours. But so that might affect things a little. But we'll see. So what do you reckon?
I don't know, because my choice of film is completely off the spectrum from him. So anything me looking on Netflix, I don't think he'll choose.
So what wouldn't you pick? That's probably the best way of doing it. What wouldn't you pick?
Well, it won't be here because it's not offering it to me because I'm nowhere near his side of town, really, am I?
No, I suppose not. Okay.
Shaun of the Dead. I reckon he'll do that.
Really? Okay.
Have you done Shaun of the Dead?
Only about nearly 12 years ago,
Okay.
13 years ago. I mean,
Hot
I
Fuzz?
suppose again, same.
Okay.
When we were still doing actual recorded intros,
Mm-hmm.
we did those. So that's quite a way back, actually. So
Well,
yeah,
I
we
think
might not.
this will give him an idea of things to do. So, with that being said, what will he do? I don't know. I don't know what goes on in Barnard's head. Beverly Hills Cop. There we go. That the new one.
The new one.
Oh,
Okay.
Yeah.
I forgot about that.
Spicy meatball.
Mm.
Okay. Jim, do you have any guesses you want to?
I did see something pop on either Netflix or Amazon. I thought that looks like a Darren pick. But
Oh,
now
here he
I've
goes.
completely forgot what it is.
Okay. Well, he's coming on now, so I'm going to stop this.
Oh, well. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Your rubber band balls.
Hey.
I got my balls to my butt, oh, yeah. Oh my God, what did I